Do 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 do. I'm Genesis, I'm 15, and I've been going to the AMH for 2 years now, and I'm loving it. Yeah. I joined the sculpture group because I want to do something different, something outrageous for myself, and something difficult to do. When you're thinking about ideas and for a sculpture, it's not like a drawing where you can do like some part of idea and then take it all over again. You try your best to make new ideas about it. It's a small class, and to really pull out the ideas for what we're doing, which are like the call boxes, we're trying to redo them we're trying to put sculptures inside of them. So it's kind of hard. Columbia Heights, it's a big history about it when we're trying to figure out what it's about. And what everybody's trying to do is that they're trying to capture the history of Columbia Heights into an installation.